welcome or welcome back to my channel. And as you read in the title, today I'll be sharing with you guys few very fun and easy Valentine's Day activities for kids, and also a few simple and easy Valentine's Day recipes that you can try out, which are very fast to make and very easy too. So hope you do try them out. Maybe hopefully this Valentine's, if not this Valentine's, maybe on another occasion, or maybe the next Valentine's. And I'm saying this because I know this is a very I know that I'm gonna be uploading this video very late, as this was not a pre-planned video, and this was just like a last minute video that I filmed, so it will take time for me to upload it. So still, I hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe if you're not using it, I just hope you enjoyed watching it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna take some milk, pour it into this plate, and after I do that, I'm just gonna take this heart mold, put it right in the middle, and then take these two different pink and red food colorings and then just put them right in the middle. I mean, it did spread a little, but yeah, whatever. Now I'm gonna take this cap filled with liquid detergent, and I'm gonna take one earbud, dip it into that detergent, and then put it right in the middle. With that didn't work, but let's give it another try. Yeah, well, that's nice. That was a successful one. I still wanted to try it, so I did add another color and just tried it, and to be very honest, it was not what I expected, but it was still really nice. So yeah, this was a success, I guess. So for the next one, we'll be using clay. Clay and a mold, a heart cutter. Yeah, a heart cutter, which I'll be using to cut this clay, and we will be making a heart box, heart shaped box. So I thought of just making a flat surface and then making another like fully full surface, and then cutting out a heart shaped thing in the middle, and then putting it on to the full surface, so it will be like a little heart shaped box in the middle of a hole. Oh, I can't describe. Yeah, you'll understand when you see it, and this is what I was trying to describe, like a heart cut out in the middle and then a flat surface in the bottom to make it look like something you can store. So you can store something in. Now I'm just gonna paint the inner part, the heart, with some nice red paint. And then I did sprinkle some glitter in the middle, and then painted the whole outer part with some white, and then continued to paint the other side, like the whole back side in gold, and also the borders in gold. And then I also did have the heart cut out, so I did paint it in some pink, red and white. So I just mixed all the colors, and I made it like this cap. So I didn't want to throw out that heart, so I just wanted to use it. I thought what better way to use it if not as a cap. So yeah, it's a cap to a storage box, a ring box, a jewelry box, or and also guys, do not mind my fingers filled with paint, as I'm a very messy painter and I cannot paint without getting the paint all over my hands and wherever I'm painting it on. So yeah, don't mind my hands or fingers if you wanna specify. So guys, this is the final look. I know I've been doing final looks from the past 10 minutes, but this is a final look on how you can put stuff inside the storage or jewelry box. So as you saw, I did keep a ring inside it, and if this is not how you want to like put your jewelry and rings, there's another way you can do it, which is this way. So you can just like, if your mold or clay is still like not fully dried, like not fully hard, then you can just make space for where you can put the ring in the middle, so it'll look more nice and cute. So it's just for one ring. I really love the idea. As you can see, the ring is also a heart and it just went. And now for the really next activity, which is also a painting activity, we will be painting a pot in a very Valentine's Day themed thing. So yeah, you just see. Take it out. Take this out. Yes. Take the paintbrush. Take the paints. We will take the white one first and mix it with a little. I'm gonna open this. It is taking. So I will be mixing the two colors, red and white, together to form the color pink, and we'll be using the pink color to paint the pot. So yeah. And now, as I'm done painting the whole pot in pink, I'm gonna paint the top border, or whatever you call it, in red. So yeah, I'm gonna paint it and be back. So as I'm done painting the whole red border, I'm gonna wait till it dries, as we still have a lot of painting to do. So as you can see, it's all dried now. Yeah, I'm just confirming it, and now we will be painting a nice gold heart. So for that we need gold paint, and this is gold paint that I just took out. And now we'll be just taking some gold paint onto the brush, which I still didn't wash properly, which still has some pink paint on it. So as you can see, I finished painting the beautiful heart on the pot, and now, as my sister loves glitter, she wanted to sprinkle some glitter onto it, which I felt destroyed it, but we managed to work it out and make it look good. But yeah, she did sprinkle a little too much glitter, but this is the whole outlook, which did in fact turn out to be really good. So yeah. So now for the next one, we will be making a leaf heart like this, and we will be painting on it. So you'll only be needing 3 stuff for this activity, which includes few leaves, a glue stick and few paints. And if you do not want to be plucking leaves and doing all that, then please do not do it. We are not promoting killing any plants or like plucking leaves and all. We have just found some leaves, so we used it, and I don't know why I showed the doll in the middle, don't mind that. But yeah, I'm gonna just glue the leaf and into a heart shape and be back. Paint a heart. Okay. Okay guys, for the next activity, which is also a painting activity, we will be making like a thumbprint hearts Like we'll be making hearts through thumb painting or whatever you wanna call it. Okay guys, so for the first recipe in the food section, we just need bread and something to cut out a heart. So we need to cut out a heart shaped bread and then put some red colored jam or whatever you want to use, whatever you use on a bread. And then I wanted to top it off with some strawberries. So I put my two breads together, my two heart shaped breads together, and then I just put some strawberries on top. So yeah. Okay, now the next one also includes bread and jam and a heart cutout in the middle, as this is a very easy and nice thing to make and also goes really well with the Valentine's theme. So I decided to make this, and I'm pretty sure you know how to make it, as it's obvious. You just need to cut the bread into half, then cut out a heart in the middle, and then just make normal bread and jam. And now for the next one, which is also a very simple recipe, which does not include bread but does include the making roti. So you just need to prepare the dough and then cut out the dough into heart shapes and make heart rotis. So yeah, a very simple recipe but nice one. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends or family and whoever you know. If you would recommend them to like try this out too. If you wouldn't recommend, you still share it with everyone you know, just for fun, if you like it too. So make them watch it too. And next, do subscribe to this channel because it's free. Like, it's free guys. Like, you don't have the software everywhere, so when you have it, you have to grab it. So do subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time. And until then, stay safe and be positive. And until then, tata, see you next time. Bye bye.